Hello, my beautiful people out there. We have hosted a dinner today, and I was about to get ready, like do the no makeup kind of thing. So I thought to share it with you guys. So I've just took a shower, and here is my skin. Nothing on it, completely bare skin, nothing on. So let's begin. I'm using this toner from Pilgrim, red wine toner. Just shake it and spray. And we'll wait till it gets absorbed in the skin. Let's work with the hands and do the jugaad. This is the book I'm reading right now, Tuesdays with Mary. I'm sorry, I'm doing this with that. Okay, I think I am done. Not really. Okay, wait. Let's add lip balm, which is Vaseline petroleum jelly, on my lips. There you go. It's time to add in some serum. I'm using this HA Super Serum from Thrive. It's really costly, super expensive, but I guess I like it. It's transparent. Just gonna take it, activate the product, and simply dab. Okay. I don't know if you can see that glow, but I can. Maybe my camera cannot catch it. Actually, मैं बहुत दिन से अच्छे से सो नहीं रही हूँ, so कुछ ज़्यादा ही dark circles बढ़ गए, but I'm binge watching a show. Let's go in with her. I guess it is absorbed by the skin. You can already see the glow, we say. Okay, I'm taking this Nivea cream to moisturize, and I'm taking it that bit, going to activate it just to warm up the product, and let it go. I am done. Let's add in a concealer, just a tad bit. I'm using this from Eba Cosmetics in the shade medium. Okay, tad bit here. So I'm not using any blender or anything like that. It's a no makeup thing, and it's just the minimal look, so I'll do that with my hands itself. Because fingers are the best blenders, you see. Little bit. Okay. Just blending everything in, and you can see देख रहे हो, रात रात को जाग के जो डार्क सर्कल्स हटाते हैं ऐसे निंजा टेक्निक से. Now to give that pop of color, I'm using this Eva Cosmetics Everyday Lip and Cheek Tint. I recently bought it. This is how it looks. Taking a tad bit of the product. It's not that bit. It's a lot. Actually, it's a lot. And putting that. I think a little goes a long way. It's too pigmented. Okay, I'm going to just on that bit on my eyelids. Now it's all the blending game. You see how I blend everything in. Okay, Eva Cosmetics has got really pigmented. Okay. Now I'm taking this eyelash curler and just okay. You guys must be amazed by the difference a eyelash color can make to your lashes. Okay. Now I'm just filling in the gaps of my eyebrow and just a tad bit. Let's tight line my eyes. Okay, so this is the final showdown. My hair are still wet and here it looks.